Hi friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we will be understanding supply chain management and in that customer relationship management. These are all the various subheadings we will be covering. Understanding customer requirements, differentiating from need and want, and then preparing for contingency. We will be first understanding capturing customer requirements. We need to understand there will be product requirements, process requirements, packaging requirements, systemic requirements, delivery requirements, and cost requirements from the customer. So we need to satisfy and balance all these requirements for working harmoniously with our customers. First, we will understand the product requirements: fit, form, function, reliability, durability. All these things becomes important parameters for the product functioning. So if we compromise any of these things, there can be disruptions in this product performance over the future. We will understand the process requirements, like from technology point of view, change management, resource management, escalation process, performance process. So all these processes will be having its own specifications. From the customer, we need to capture and properly manage in our different processes and systems. Some system requirements also will be there, like manufacturing system, quality system, delivery system, information system, and then management system put together. So all these things plays an important role from the system requirements point of view. Then we will understand the delivery requirements, like if they prefer in sea mode, roadways, or the rail mode, airways mode, or it can be a combination of these things. So we need to require all these requirements from the customer and then properly manage accordingly. Packaging requirements, like carton boxes, or it can be returnable, primary and secondary packaging, and then storage conditions. All these things will be having requirements and we need to specify accordingly. From the cost point of view, we need to concentrate it towards the top line, that means turnover, bottom line, that means profit, and then risks associated with respect to those things, and sustainability of top line and bottom line in the long term point of view. So there is no point in having a very good turnover in the next month and then drastically fall. Same case applies to profit also. When we talk about the other things like unspecified requirements, we need to be very clear. Some requirements customers are not going to tell straight away, it will be considered as understood. Like if you go to a restaurant, if you order for a coffee, even if you do not tell it as hot, it is understood as they have to provide it in a hot condition. Then we need to differentiate between need and want. So not all the requirements will be need. There will be certain requirements which will be mandatory, that will be need, and certain requirements that will be not mandatory, but if it is there, it would be good. Those things can be considered as want. And then if there are special customer requirements, we need to ask, capture it accordingly, and then further processes needs to follow those things. We will be understanding the contingencies because we never know where disruption can come in our supply chain management. There can be labor problems, key equipment failures, or there can be exchange rate fluctuations, or from natural calamity itself. We have seen several like these things. So we need to manage accordingly for these disruptions properly so that our supply chain management does not disrupt. That's it in this video. Thank you so much.
Tutorialspoint.com. Simply easy learning.